Power Trigger Trades, Andrew here on StockTwits. We're going to talk about the HD trade. So let's take a look at it. So here's the HD. HD is set up to test 136 to 138. This could be a super play. The December 16 130 calls could be used for some strong gains. HD needs to show us the power and volume towards a break of 129 on 1.5 million shares. If the volume is less than that, then watch the space above 129. So excuse me here. So what we're going to do is, if we don't get the volume at 129, we're going to watch this base above 129 and look for power to the 130 to 130 and a half area. If this does show the power, I'll probably make comments on Power Trigger Trade, or I might do that inside of Power Target Trades. But these instructions are, we need some volume and pressure. If we don't have the volume, then there's a basing and then the power push. So for example, you'll see some decent volume going as it tries to push 130. The thing is, the stock needs to show some power. It might need to relax in this area, but once we pop that 130, 131 area, this stock has a good chance to test the 136 to 138 area. The key is some volume and price pressure. We might be able to get in the 129 area. This is not, but it's gain. You notice the volume, 1.5 million on a 15-minute chart. So you need to look at what's going on with the volume as we approach the 129. If not, we would base above 129 and look for power towards 130. And if the power isn't there as it gets to that point, volume seems weak, we're going to have to look between 130 to 131. I'll have to make another update. But this is going to be this is based on the 18th close. Okay, so that's a Friday, and then we open up on Monday. So that's that for now. Let me, all right, let me minimize this here. Okay, 1 second. If you like this plan idea, come to subscribe to Power Target Trades. It's a new site I opened up on YouTube. It's called Power Target Trades, so subscribe. Now I'm going to talk about a little bit more about that trade, the HD trade. Let me just go back to the HD trade here. Okay, so now I'm going to talk a little bit about the options. So the options here, they have time. So what they are, in case people who don't know, the December 16 130 calls. So that means by December 16, those would expire worthless, of course, if HD never moved through 130. However, if we can confirm, within a few days or sometime next week, and if this does push towards the 136 area, these options could gain 100 to 200% to even to more, depending on the power and pressure. So options, it's about the timing. So basically, you need a good entry point, right? If this stock could base around a little bit more, and then I'll have to make another update, but it could take off. So you have to always wait for confirmation, okay? You just don't go and buy this unless it shows the power and the strength. It could need a little bit more time. It may not. It's a stock market. But the pattern, there is a pattern, and the pattern needs to be confirmed properly. So if this does confirm within a few days on that next week, these options will be really good. They'll be good actually for even if it confirms later on this week as well, because there's tons of time. Okay, and if this stock gets to if it gets to 136 and you're in the money, $6, you're looking at about 300% gains, right? So what you need to do is, if you don't take the trade, you should pay attention to the option value if this does trigger, and see how much it goes up. I'll report the value, how much HD goes up. All right then. So there you have the great report. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me 1 second here. Let me just minimize this. So again, here we're back at Power Target Trades. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. And more great plans. Check out the Foot Locker plan over here, and there'll be other plans I'll be posting. So there you have it. Subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.